Food steamer and rice cooker. Easily cook a whole meal with one appliance with 5.5 quarts of cooking capacity. Includes 2 steaming bowls plus rice basket for rice or small foods. Versatile steaming. Versatile, stackable 2-tier steaming to cook multiple foods at once for quick and easy meal solutions. Use 1 tier for small quantities and 2 tiers for a whole meal. The center divider can also be removed to fit larger quantities of foods. Gas-free steaming. Just fill it up and set the timer. When the food is ready, it will automatically switch to warm. It also includes delay start and auto shut-off digital touchpad, easily set the countdown timer and other functions easily. Fits neatly in cabinets, the tiers nest together to easily store away. Perfectly cooked eggs. Cook eggs from soft cooked to hard-boiled. Cook up to 16 large eggs at a time by simply standing them up on each steam bowl's egg holders. Seafood. Easily steam delicate fish, lobster and shrimp. Vegetables. Fits corn on the cob or a head of broccoli or whatever you choose. Kindly refer user manual attached below. Top reviews from the United States. Big enough to steam tamales upright. First of all, let me explain that I use a steamer several times each week. I regularly steam veggies and rice, and always use it to hard-boil eggs. I also use it occasionally for chicken, fish, and my grandkids' very favorite food, hot dogs. So, as you can imagine, I was really disappointed when my old steamer finally died. It had been going strong for almost 10 years, and now I was stuck with the task of trying to find something else that would work equally well. I did tons of research before finally settling on this model. It was a good decision. This steamer is all digital, whereas my old one just had a dial. It has a delay start timer that I can set for anywhere from 30 minutes to 24 hours away. The maximum steam time is 1 hour, but I've just added water and reset the time when I'm steaming tamales, which take up to 2 hours. When the set time is done, the unit will switch to warm mode for up to an hour. If I'm not watching closely and the water level gets too low, then the unit will beep and display low. Adding water is simple, just pull out the water drawer and fill. There's a viewing window so I can always see where the water level is at. The 2 steaming bowls stack if you want to steam several things at once, or you can remove one of the bowls and just steam singly. The rice bowl will steam a cup of rice at a time. I have packed both steam bowls on occasion, and haven't had any problems with everything cooking at the same rate. A really nice feature is that I can stack both bowls but remove the bottom from the upper bowl. This gives me twice the vertical space so I can steam corn on the cob or tamales in the upright position. I'm really loving this steamer so far, and hoping to get a lot of years of use out of it. I'll update this review if I run into any problems.